Hi, I'm Nancy Christy-Moore. I'm back again today to demonstrate some watercolor techniques for you. So if you'll come over to the table, we'll get started right away. Today we're going to talk about whether we want to start on a wet surface or a dry surface. So many times in the watercolor world you will be told you have to start with wet paper that's stretched, and you do not. And today I'm going to demonstrate the difference between starting with a wet sheet of watercolor paper, and this also holds true in the acrylic world. This is water media in general. Okay, this is an old piece of paper, so don't get excited. Okay, I'm going to start out with some of I always start out with the light colors, so I'm going to just paint right across here. Okay, you see what's happening over here on the right where it's wet. The color is what they call feathering out. On the left, you get very straight edges where my brush goes. Okay, we'll put another color in there and see what happens when the two join. On this side, putting the two colors together, they are merging and they are feathering and causing some beautiful designs. Over here, it's not so much, it's just a straight edge. See this feathering that's happening? That's because it's wet. Now we'll put in some other color, put in some cool colors. Those were the warm colors. Now you see things starting to mix right on the page when I get that beautiful turquoise in there. Over here the color will be much sharper because the paper is dry. When the paper is wet like this, you can also let things run a little bit, and that's kind of fun too. Now the more you paint into your side of the painting that was dry, of course, now it's wet. So you will start getting the appearance, you know, it's buckling up there, you can just hold it down. The appearance that it was already wet, because guess what? It's already wet. After you start playing with these techniques a little bit, you'll gain a lot more confidence in what you're doing. So you'll be able to control your watercolor a little bit better. See that? This is kind of fun. So go into your studio or your kitchen or wherever you have your setup and try some of these tricks. And I'll see you next time.